People, after so long I'm doing a shooting, and today I want to review this very local brand. It's called Hyderabadi veg biryani. This tiny little I mean it it's called Chintu's Food, and it's basically a Hyderabad based company, and veg biryani is supposed to be the sort of chips or whatever that is thing, and basically it is in what's it called, puffed rice form, and it's just heavenly. And I would want to open it and show it to you, but really that would, you know so okay, chalo, let's open it and see. I'll do it in my next video. It's spicy, but yeah. But people, if you're in Hyderabad, you'll need to try this out, veg biryani, because it is just awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.